Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. I can be lazy, don't want to go to the store for shopping, for clothes, or pretty much anything, especially with COVID going on. This is so much easier. This is my 19th referral box. I know I have more on the way in the near future, hopefully. But if not, you can get your own $50 box. Well, not $50 box. You can add $50 to your box, to your order, by following the link in the video description. It's going to send you to a website that's going to have a code and then a link. So copy the code, then click the link. Now mind you, only do this when you're ready to buy because the code and the link is only good until midnight. So copy the code, click on the link, and it's going to bring you to the site and place your order. And I get one of these, and you get awesome clothing, hopefully. Sometimes it's hit or miss. Until they get to know what you like and what you don't like, they pretty much start to do a good job. I've been seeing a lot of decent stuff lately, but you can be the decision of that. You can check out my other boxes that I've done. So it's always nicely wrapped with the paper, and then inside is the PSD underwear. These are actually really comfortable. I actually really like these. I've gotten a couple pairs now from them, and they are really comfortable. The next thing is going to be a diamond. So I'm getting a lot of diamond stuff lately. Some of it's alright, some of it's kind of eh. Like, I'm not necessarily a fan of this one right now. I mean, it's not bad. But you'd be the decider. It's plain black t-shirt. But each box is worth like about $50 value. And if you do an unboxing video like I do, then you get your own referral code, and same thing, you can do this type of giveaway. Now, are these swim trunks or are these... Yes, they're swim trunks. So this is perfect because I'm going to be going to Florida. So I can bring these with me. But they are clouds, and they are the original penguin. And basically, it has the original receipt on there. Oh, it doesn't have the price. So sometimes they leave like the original tags and it has the price on there. This one doesn't look like it. But I can always look this stuff up and tell you what the value is. And then they keep leaving out the stickers. Like, see the same, it has the tag. But they keep leaving out the Threadbeast stickers that used to always throw in the boxes. So that's everything that this month, not this month, this subscription came with, because this is my referral box. So I didn't pay for this, I just get it for free basically whenever you guys sign up. So sign up, it's totally worth it. And then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and check out whatever video YouTube recommends to you. And what do you think of my new hair? What do you think? Think I should keep it? Bye.